voice for this commercial piece by Bad College!
Relationships, cause I need someone who can take on all the challenges. Yeah, I've always been afraid to commit, but now I've fallen so hard, it's a total neglect. Cause it's emotional and physical and so legit. It's got my legs flying out like banana split. We're always showering each other in expensive gifts. I put the two-tone party on his wrist. It was love at first sight from the moment we kissed. I wore a white dress, countryside, house and kid. Back to the start, you knew that I was dangerous. Put your face enhanced on my natural lips. So catch a flight, see if you can handle it. And if you can, then welcome to my Iron Bird.
Okay, we have a dance group that I'm going to light this stage up next.